Hello again, guys. It's Trevor at Heritage Reverse Mortgage. I am a reverse mortgage specialist, and I'm posting this video and the article that goes with it today to hopefully benefit those of you who may already have a reverse mortgage. Now, most people think that when you do a reverse mortgage, you're stuck in it for life, and this fortunately is not true. Like any other mortgage, when you have a reverse mortgage, you're free to sell the home. You're allowed to pay off the mortgage if you want to do that. And you're also allowed to refinance your reverse mortgage. And most people don't know about this. And so again, that's why we wanted to put this out there today. Now, the idea with a reverse mortgage refinance, I call it a reverse mortgage reset. The idea is that you take your current reverse mortgage and you're replacing it. We pay it off with a new reverse mortgage. And the reason you would do that, there are three primary benefits that a lot of my clients are doing this. So first is maybe to add a spouse. Maybe you've remarried and you want to make sure that your spouse is protected under the reverse mortgage for the rest of their life in case you pass away first. Another reason may be that when you did your reverse mortgage, maybe the guidelines were still under the old terms where if your spouse was not 62 or older, they couldn't be on the mortgage. And so the loan was done just in your name. Of course, this is a bad idea long term. If you were to pass away first, it could leave your spouse in a bad position. And so by doing the reverse mortgage reset, we add both of you to the loan, so both of you get the protections for the rest of your life. Another benefit in doing a reverse mortgage reset is that interest rates and mortgage insurance rates are better today. Those have been lowered in recent years, and so depending on when you did your reverse mortgage, you may benefit greatly by doing the refinance today and locking in a lower interest rate, which will ultimately protect more of the equity that's in your home. Now, the third reason is the most common, and that is that the values of the home or your home have increased, you can reset your reverse mortgage to get more money out of it. And so let's take a minute and go a little bit deeper into this so you fully understand what it means to do a reverse reset. So the neighborhood you're seeing behind me is actually where I live with my family here in St. George, Utah. And I'm showing you this for a couple of reasons. One, because honestly, St. George is the most beautiful place on the planet. But two, all of those homes you're seeing down there behind me are, for the most part, brand new. When we moved into this neighborhood about 2 years ago, most of that area was just dirt and sagebrush. And so when you see this kind of explosive growth in an area, it usually comes with high appreciation rates as well. In our area, we're seeing appreciation rates as high as 8, 10, or 12%. And so when you do a reverse mortgage, as I mentioned, you want to make sure you're maximizing your benefit from your home. If you bought a home 2 years ago and you paid $400,000 for it, odds are your home's probably worth $460,000 to $480,000 today. And so by doing the reverse mortgage reset, we're able to get that equity out so you can make the most of this mortgage. In most situations, and this depends on your age of course, but you should be able to access anywhere from 40 to 50% of that appreciation. And that money is yours to do what you want with. You can leave it in your line of credit, you can take it out and go on a vacation or buy a toy or whatever you want to do. But ultimately you want to take advantage of these high value markets because, as we all know, values tend to fluctuate up and down. And when the value goes back down, you may have missed the boat. And so if you're in this situation, you have a reverse mortgage, your home's value has shot up in the past couple of years, it may be a great time for you to take a look at the reverse mortgage reset, to take advantage of that money, get some of that equity back out, and just live a little bit better. So there's one final thought I wanted to add to the video before I ended it, and that is that when we do these reverse mortgage refinances, the great thing is that you don't have to repay all of the fees that you paid on your original mortgage. You know, the mortgage insurance is so expensive with reverse mortgages, and so if you were getting hit with that every time, of course, a refinance wouldn't make sense. So the beauty of that is that when you refinance your reverse mortgage, that mortgage insurance fee will transfer through to the new loan. Likewise, on the other fees, typically we have to design these loans to be either low cost or as close to no cost as possible. So all of those fees you paid last time don't hit you again. It truly is a reset in the sense that we're doing a new appraisal, we're maximizing your cash out, and you are essentially starting a better loan or a better version of the same loan you had. And so again, if you or somebody you know has a reverse mortgage, this is absolutely worth looking into. It takes us all 5 or 10 minutes to pull up your numbers and see if you would qualify. If not, we can continue to watch it down the road every year or every couple of years until we can do something for you. And so call me at 435-359-9000. Visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com, or you can even email me at trevor@heritagehl.com. Thanks, guys. I look forward to helping you. Have a good one. Seriously though, look at those views. I mean, southern Utah is the best. Those are my daughters, by the way. They came to help me today. Truly the best place on earth to live.